Ulanzi has done it again. They've taken a very successful product concept from another company and made it more affordable and arguably better. This is the Falcam Maglink camera strap, and it is highly inspired by Peak Design's version. So Ulanzi sent me over these camera straps to try out, but they didn't pay me to say anything. And if you've been following my channel for a while, then you know that my preferred camera strap is right here. It's the Black Rapid R-Strap, which I've been using ever since I started my professional photography career over 10 years ago. So I love these camera straps, but I've always been very curious about trying a neck strap. I've never actually owned one up until now. But the main reason why I want to try out these neck straps is because I like that you can kind of hold them out to ergonomically do pans when you're shooting video with your camera. And so that's something that I can't do with my R-Strap. The R-Strap also connects to my camera via the 1/4-20 hole in the bottom of my camera, and so I'm not able to put a tripod plate there. So I like the idea of keeping that spot free with a neck strap instead. And so in this video, I'll talk more about some of the differences between this camera strap and the Peak Design version, and some reasons why you might want to try out the Maglink for yourself. So very basically, these are super thin and lightweight camera straps that attach to your camera via these magnetic pieces that attach to both ends of your camera. Now the pieces are super lightweight and they don't rattle or make any noise whenever you're moving your camera around. Now to attach your camera strap, just slide each piece into the connection point on the camera strap and they magnetically click into place. I will say that this part does not feel as robust as the Peak Design version, which has a very firm snap whenever they connect. So I do wonder how the Maglink will hold up over time, but in my initial testing, the Maglinks are super strong. And if you're using a camera strap normally, the camera's weight actually holds it in place. It's also super easy to adjust the length of the strap, which is really nice because I'll be using it a lot on my upcoming trip to Europe, while my partner Martin and I will be sharing one camera, the Fujifilm camera here, and because we're so different in height, we always have to change the length of the camera strap whenever we pass our camera back and forth. And so that's been really hard to do with the R-Strap, and so I've been really looking forward to testing out this strap and seeing how easy it is to adjust the length when we're traveling. So one main thing that does set this strap apart from Peak Design's version is that each connection point on the strap has magnets, so that when you remove your camera to put it on a gimbal or a tripod, you can just click the ends together and it keeps the strap in place for if you want to use it like around your neck or around your shoulder like this. It just makes it less likely that your strap will fall off. Another difference from the Peak Design version is that the Maglink camera strap material is a lot thinner and lighter compared to Peak Design's version, which I think is the same material as is made from a car seatbelt. I've bought and tried every single one of Peak Design's camera straps because people keep raving about them, but the strap thickness was the main thing that I never liked. So because of that, I actually prefer the Maglink version because it's so much thinner than the Peak Design version. But that's my own personal preference. If you guys are interested in trying out the Falcam Maglink camera strap, there are 3 different versions available. The light version for $30, the classic version, which has a thicker neck strap for $47, or the pro version, which has the thickest neck strap here, for $60 US. There is not yet a wrist strap, but hopefully that's coming soon because again, I really like my wrist strap. But yeah, the prices are actually not significantly lower than the Peak Design version. It's not like the Ulanzi tripod, which is definitely half of the price of the Peak Design tripod. So they're not going for, you know, super cheap and affordable here, but they are still slightly cheaper than Peak Design's version. But anyway, let me know what you guys think below. If you want to try these camera straps out, or if you're a die-hard Peak Design and you like your other camera straps instead. Let me know what you think. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.